Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use the tool Popplet to create a mind map. First, I will show you how to navigate the platform and create a popple or box. Then I will demonstrate how to connect and organize your research notes using popples. Popplet is a tool that helps the user organize and visualize their ideas and can be used to create mind maps, charts, timelines, and more. So these individual boxes here are called popples, and the group of popples is referred to as a popplet. To begin, simply click Login and log in with Google. Okay, so I'm going to click on the cog and click on Make New Popple. I'm going to click away, then click once to activate the blinking cursor, and I am going to put down something. I just typed main idea. I can adjust the size and the alignment if I want. I can use this to upload some sort of media. So this is, I use this for a different class. I can use this to annotate it if I wish. Remove that. If I want to move this popple around the screen, I just click and drag. And if I want to adjust the size, I'm going to use the corners to do that. Make sure you are looking at the triangles in the corners. If I want to zoom in and out of all the popples, I'm going to go to the toolbar up here and zoom in and out. This will make more sense when we see a whole bunch of popples together. And if I decide I do not need this popple anymore, I can simply click the X button. So now that I know how to create a single popple, we can now start turning our notes into popples to create a popplet. So say my teacher instructed me to explore something related to food. I narrowed that down a bit to just my favorite desserts and took some notes. I'm going to put a popple in the middle that says, I can just click and drag this back, my favorite desserts, because that's the central idea of my research at the moment. Now I'm going to click one of these circles on the sides of the popple, and I'm going to put down chocolate chip cookie, because everything that has a line connected through is going to relate to my favorite desserts. I'll just put down mint chocolate chip ice cream here. Now, going back to my chocolate chip cookie, I'm going to give a tidbit of information related to just the cookie. So I'm going to make sure this is highlighted and click the circle. And I'm going to write about Ruth Wakefield and Toll House Restaurant. In the interest of time, I'm going to jump ahead to what it would look like if I typed all my notes out. So now that I've mapped everything out, let's take a look. I can look around by clicking and dragging around the screen and also zooming in. So I wrote about some ice cream, snickerdoodles, chocolate chip cookies, tiramisu, ice cream, apple pie. And I noticed that just like I mentioned with the mint chocolate chip ice cream and the chocolate chip cookie, tiramisu, people don't know where that originated either. Was it created in Italy? Some sources say maybe not. Also, apple pie. It is American as apple pie is kind of a myth because it wasn't invented in America. It actually came from England and was brought by some of the original colonists. But that phrase came from World War II. I just found that interesting. Maybe this is an idea I want to explore further. So to separate it, I'm going to click on the box. I'll use this button. Maybe I'll change it to pink, just to highlight how that these ideas are similar. Another way I can show this relationship, maybe I create a popple off to the side and I say idea to explore, origin stories of desserts, and I can add some links around that. Now remember, you don't have to make your Popplet super colorful or fancy. All you need to do is map out your ideas. I can't wait to see what mind maps you create. Have fun!